Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is Saturday the 23rd. The market is closed. I wanted to touch base on a Thursday's video about CleanSpark. I had some people reach out and say, why did I not want to talk about the lawsuit? So I'm very careful in, mentioning stuff related to lawsuits, even though it's just for informational purposes only, because I've worked in the legal field for a few years in the past, and I kind of know what that entails. So I didn't want to get involved too much in mentioning something I wasn't 100% sure about. So it kind of looked like the price drop on Thursday was based on some report that came out and some lawsuit allegations, something like that, and that's true. But I also wanted to kind of touch base on the company's response, which seemed very positive from what the investors were doing on Friday. So the stock went up by about 10%. And afterwards we see like a 3% pop. So I can just show you real quick, for those who didn't check that video. I have 150 shares at 14.45 cost. So currently I'm up 99%. I know people in the comment section on that video, we had one who got in at 7 cents with 4k shares, so kudos to you. That's really good. 100k pop right there. I'm very happy to see people engaging. This is a new channel, and I'm very excited to grow it. I really appreciate everybody who's taking the time to watch my videos, give feedback, comment as we grow the channel. So a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Consult with one and invest at your own risk. But this follow-up, I just wanted to read an article that is based on the press release the company put out. So let's go ahead and go. I'm not a biggest fan of Motley Fool, but I think they didn't pick a side when reporting this, so that's why I'm citing them. So CleanSpark stock rises as management responds to short report. So shares of CleanSpark, so this one came out just yesterday. So shares of CleanSpark started rising late yesterday, so Thursday, and continued rising Friday morning after management issued a press release in response to a short report from Kalpa Research. Management refuted the claims of the report and hinted at legal action, which was encouraging to shareholders like you and me who've bought some shares here. As of 11 a.m. Eastern, CleanSpark stock was up only about 5%, but it has been up 10% earlier in the session, like we just saw, about 10%. So what? The short report was published on January 14, and since CleanSpark stock has fallen roughly 25%. Out of respect for Kalpa Research, anyone interested in the content of this short report you can use that link to go there. But suffice it to say, the report raises concerns about CleanSpark management integrity in reporting on its microgrid technology and Bitcoin mining operations. Yesterday afternoon, CleanSpark management responded, calling the report false and alleging Kalpa Research is simply a name designed to conceal the true identity of the short seller. Management notes that whoever is behind Kalpa Research stands to profit from CleanSpark stock going down, which is true. I also agree. The report itself acknowledges Kalpa's short interest in CleanSpark stock. That's kind of a point of a short report in the first place, which I totally agree. CleanSpark management said it had a law firm looking into the matter. Now what? Of course, the short report from Kalpa Research isn't all that's going on with CleanSpark. Bitcoin continues to swing up and down, which we also touch on that video, because it's volatile, but mining will be difficult as time goes on, and since they're also mining some Bitcoin, and also I see a future whereby Bitcoin will also grow. The price will go up over time once it stabilizes, but there's so many factors affecting it that you can't really speculate right now because it's very speculative. So let's continue. But the price of Bitcoin is something outside of management's control. By contrast, refuting the claims of Kalpa Research is something management can do, and it will be interesting to see what else it can do to restore any lost investor confidence in the days to come. And I think that's where it ends, because they have just should you invest 1,000 in CleanSpark. So I just wanted to touch base on that, and kind of provide that feedback. Anytime I'm covering a stock and there's some major news, I'll prefer waiting until the dust settles, and then we can kind of talk a little bit about it. I don't want to also influence and contribute to online content when something isn't 100% correct, because also we have like a duty as people put out content to make sure that whatever we're putting out, other people don't take that message and do something which might affect them. So that's why I wanted to kind of circle back and bring this to attention. So thank you so much for reaching this far. I really appreciate the support you guys have shown the channel. I have some free links if you want for free stocks with Weibo. Use my link below. Support the channel also by opening a Robinhood account if you don't have one, and you'll get some free stock. Thank you so much. Be green, be safe. See you next